What's good, Vlogbros? It's your boy, Chev and Kyle, back in with another sick video. It's been a long time since the two of us have posted, but we're back here to make this a brand new season of Vlogbros, and we're gonna make the new videos better than ever. And but you want to say something, Ben?
New videos are good.
Amen. Okay, let's get right in the video.
What's the topic?
Alright, back again for the second time because I didn't say what topic we're doing. We're doing Rubik's Cube trick shots. Yeah, this isn't really a vlog channel, it's more of a trick shot channel because we don't have anything else better to do. So, Rubik's Cube trick shots, let's get it now. Good God. Oh wow, second try.
That's just how you achieve your goals. Achieve your goals.
Wait, did you actually just land that?
Achieve your goals.
Whoa.
Achieve your goals.
Achieve your goals.
I'm sorry, Marker. You know I didn't mean that.
Give it a kiss. There you go.
740. Dude.
What'd you say?
It's the 740. Whoa!
That's one of the worst ones I've seen today. Good night.
Golf trick shot? That's something on the bloopers, dude.
Alright guys, thanks, no, stop. Alright, thanks for watching another one of our videos. Really appreciate all the support, not really. You guys can comment, like, subscribe, all the other stuff that the other YouTubers say. Hopefully we could inspire you guys to be super creative like we are. Yeah, as you can tell, our theme for this video was household item trick shots and more, actually not mostly Rubik's Cubes, but other thing too. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Not really, you shouldn't have watched this, it's pretty bad.
Yeah.
But yeah, thanks for watching. See you guys, bye.